mi familia, welcome back to mi canal. So today I'm going to be showing y'all this look right here. Hopefully you all like it. Hopefully it looks easy and it's something you'll be able to do. And yeah, guys, I mean, I really wanted to do a Coachella look because, you know, I love anything. I mean, of course I love simple makeup, but I love anything that is extra, something that's way out there. I love it. So every time I see these kind of looks, I'm like, I want that. I want to do that. So yeah, this is actually like my first Coachella look that I've actually done. So yeah, guys, hopefully you all like this kind of looks, and if you do, well, of course, just keep on watching. And hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Veronica, and if you love makeup, this is your channel, so we can both learn together and just do stuff the way that we do it. And so yeah, guys, and for those that are just returning, welcome back, mis familia. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get started so we can do this look. Okay guys, so I already went ahead and did my whole, you know, face foundation. I mostly did the highlight and everything on this side. I have not done anything on this side besides my face foundation and my eyebrows. So we want to try to achieve something like this. So let's go ahead and start. I am going to go in with the Morphe, the 3502. And we are going to go in with Heat, which is this one right here. And this is just going to be for like the transition color. So we'll apply it all the way in, and then we're going to go all the way out. So it doesn't matter if it goes out here, it makes it even cooler and just smokier. Then after that, we are going to go in with this one right here, which is Chestnut. I'm going to use the same brush, which is my favorite, my best friend, Wet n Wild. And we're going to go with Chestnut, and we're going to do the same thing just to kind of darken it just a tiny bit. And then we'll smoke it out too. Mostly I'm just doing it right here and just kind of in, because I don't want it too dark. I just want a little bit of that, you know. So just like that. Okay, then after that, we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Renaissance palette, and we're gonna go in with Love Letter, which is this one right here. I'm gonna use the same brush, and then this one is just kind of gonna go in the inside. See, just kind of a little bit right there, just to kind of darken that one. I know we will go over it, but it just makes it that pop color. And then out. See? Just like that. Okay, so after you did that, I am going to go in with my NYX glitter. And then this one right here, this like glitter primer, I'm going to apply it just right here on this part right here of the eyelid. But to add these sparkles that we have right here in this glitter, I am going to use this little thing, and usually I think you use it for nails, but I am going to go in with this color right here, and this one, it looks kind of more brown, but it gives it that like pop of that pink and brown and makes it so pretty. So what I did is I added some glue right here to my little diamond, I don't know, whatever they're called. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some of that primer glue or primer glitter just on my eye right there. Then with the same brush that I just did that, I have both of them open right there. Ooh, I don't want to drop them. And right there, look how pretty. So pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the pink one first. And I'm just going to apply a little bit to the eyelid. Look how pretty. Just like big pieces of shininess. Like, I could literally, oh my goodness, wear this like to work. I think I should. I don't know if my supervisor will say something. They'd probably be like, I don't know. Probably throw them off a little bit. But for Halloween, I'm gonna have to wear this. I'm gonna have to wear this. So pretty. Okay, then I am gonna go in with my Ulta Beauty face and body glitter. It looks like this, and it is in color bronze. And I am gonna apply a little bit of this just to make it that small shimmer, you know, the glitter, so it's not all big pieces. I mean, that already is so beautiful, but I want a little bit of that tiny bronze. And I feel like since we've been using that pink and brown color, it's just so perfect. So we'll just apply it right there. We're not going all the way, but just a little bit out. See, just a tiny bit. Whew. I need to add more over here, I feel like. God, that is so pretty. I should have probably done the whole eyelid. Anyways. So pretty. Okay, so next, I'm going to go in with Chestnut again, which is this one right here. Same brush. And then I'm going to apply it down here. Just a tiny bit and kind of go down. I don't know if y'all can tell. Just a tiny bit. We don't want a lot because I mean the glitter is going to take up for itself, but just a tiny bit. We'll apply the same steps with the glue primer. And then we'll do the same colors, that little brownie color. See, just like that. Okay. Then I'm going to go back in with that fine glitter. And we shall do the same. And this time I'm going to go a little bit more out right here. Just like that. Then we'll apply a little bit of that lash, not lash, Lord Almighty, glitter primer. Apply a little bit right there to the inner corner. And then I'm going to go in with, I don't know if y'all can tell, these right here are little diamonds. And I'm just going to grab a little one. And just apply it right there. I mean, it's just really tiny, but it makes it so perfect. Then we'll apply this liquid liner. Ooh. Underneath the lash. I feel like this one is prettier because it's so thinner than this one, but oh well. Then this one, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't think I need to be precise, but I will. Just 6 little dots like that. Whew, so pretty. Oh my god, I wish I could wear this like every day. Anyways, so the next step is the lashes, and we are going to be using these. So these are called, I think, Doll Me Up. I'm not 100% sure, but they're like the velour lashes, and I feel like these were so perfect because of the way that they are. They're not so full, and I think they're perfect that way. I'm so sorry. I literally thought I would push the button to record when I had applied it, and I was not recording. So anyways, sorry, but it's already on. And then I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara. That's why I went for some that were a little bit more looser. But I mean, I feel like you still need eyelashes though. Look at that, it's so pretty. Okay guys, so really I'm done with that part. And I'm going to go in with, on my little, and it's kind of dirty, I'm sorry. This is my Shop Miss A little palette that I have going on. I'm going to go in with this one. It is called Pearls. That's why it's kind of out, because I wanted to see the name. And I'm going to apply this up here. Don't know if y'all can tell, because it kind of has that shimmer of a little bit of a purpley color. I don't know if y'all can kind of tell on there. And we definitely need highlight because we are going to be shining outside. Right there. Okay. So then, since where we want to go, since we already highlighting the face, might as well do the shoulders and all, because you know we gotta be shiny. And I think for this, if you had one of those like lotion, I don't know, those shimmery lotions, or even just a shimmery. Ooh, I think I have some. Let me go check really quick. I'll be right back. Let me go see if I have some luminous stuff. Okay guys, so right here, I did this right here. It is the Revolution Bronze Gold. And this one is, I mean, it was cheap. I don't remember how much I got it, but I got it like at Ulta. And so look, I applied it kind of all right here. And then what I did is with this one right here, like the little brownie color, I mean, brown and the pink, I just kind of went ahead and placed a little bit of those pieces. So it kind of makes it a little shiny, and have those big, bright pieces. See? I mean, of course you could add more, but I'm just saying, like, it looks so freaking precious. Like, ugh. I need to shower in this. That'd be so freaking awesome. Like, look at this. See? So yeah, guys, that's about it. Let me try to clean this off because I'm a mess. But yeah, so look, what do y'all think? Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and with my Tarteist, this one is called Bounce. I'm gonna go ahead, what's up? Sorry, my son was there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that color. So after I apply that lipstick, I'm gonna go ahead and do that little line everybody does. Ooh, that looks so freaking pretty. And then I think I'm gonna do one down my nose. Oh my God, okay. Perfect, I love it. Okay, so the whole inspo for this look, y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for it? I'm just kidding. Look at this. Okay. Lord, I hurt myself. So this piece right here, I literally, like, it's just one of these little clip-ons. Has a little clip right here. And I use it like on my bikinis in the middle right here. I mean, it's so freaking pretty and precious. So what I'm going to do with it, I'm going to apply it right here. See that? Ooh. Okay, so since I don't really know how I'm going to do it, I think I'm going to get like a little bobby pin. And I mean, I think the safe way to go ahead and do this is take this part up, this part off so I don't hurt myself. And yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. So let me get some bobby pins so I can go ahead and apply this. Guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and put this thing right here. I do feel like with these, you know, it has a little pin right there. I went ahead and left mine on just because I'm going to reuse it later on. But honestly, if I was you and you are going to be actually wearing it and you're not going to be using it again, then go ahead and just, you know, take it off so you don't hurt yourself, because I feel like it'll poke through. So just really be careful with that. Also, I did go ahead and left, like I said, I left mine on. So, but also I was going to tell you also with these little pieces of glitter, you do have to be careful because they are like all cut in pieces. So I know they're used more for nails, but I went ahead and used it on my eyes. So you really got to be careful because I feel like if it does go in your eye, it's gonna cut you or something. Like it's gonna hurt you. So, oh, and I also went ahead and put my contacts in. But anyways, yeah, y'all, I feel like you really do got to be careful though, because I feel like those could hurt you and you don't want that. So please be careful with that. Read about it and make sure that you're able to wear those on your eyes. I did because I think they're so pretty, and I'm going to be taking it off in just a bit, so it doesn't really matter. But I'm just going to show you little inspos and stuff that you're able to do. And so yeah, guys, just be careful. But like, look at this. That is like so pretty. I love just that glitter. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I love it. So yeah, guys, hopefully y'all liked this Coachella look right here. And yeah, you can even apply more glitter all in your hair. I think it would look so pretty. But yeah, guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please thumbs up. And if you didn't, I'm sorry. That's just the way that I do things. And I always say that because it's me. Also, if you do like them, you know, subscribe, click on the little bell right there so you'll be notified of more videos that I'll be able to do. And so yeah, guys, thank you all so much for watching. You all be good. You all take care. Besos, amigos. Adios.